Are you tired of struggling with stubborn curtain rods that don't glide smoothly? Or perhaps you're looking for a more modern automated solution for your home? In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 7 curtain tracks that can transform your space. Whether you're after a sleek design, easy installation, or smart home integration. From blackout curtains to advanced motorized systems, we've got something for everyone. So, which curtain track will suit your needs best? Let's dive in. 7. Aspire Homeware Blackout Curtains. The Aspire Homeware Blackout Curtains are a great starting point if you're looking to block out light and create a cozy atmosphere in any room. These curtains are made from high-quality interwoven fabric that not only darkens your room, but also provides insulation against heat and cold. They are perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or any space where you want to control the amount of natural light. One of the standout features of these curtains is their ability to block out almost all light, making them ideal for people who need complete darkness to sleep. The fabric is thick and durable, ensuring long-term use without fading or wearing out easily. The eyelet design also makes it easy to install on most curtain rods or tracks. In terms of style, the Aspire Homeware Blackout Curtains come in various colors to match different interior designs. Whether you're going for a modern minimalist look or something more traditional, these curtains will fit right in. They also help reduce noise from outside, making them perfect for city dwellers or anyone who values peace and quiet. The ease of maintenance is another plus. These curtains are machine washable, which means you can keep them looking fresh without too much hassle. Overall, if you're after functionality with a touch of elegance, these blackout curtains are an excellent choice. Next up is the curved ceiling curtain track, which is perfect for those tricky spaces where straight tracks just won't do. This flexible and bendable track can be shaped to fit around corners or curved windows effortlessly. It's especially useful for bay windows or creating room dividers in open plan spaces. What makes this track stand out is its flexibility and ease of installation. Despite its bendable nature, it's sturdy enough to hold lightweight to medium weight curtains without sagging. The gliders move smoothly along the track, ensuring that your curtains open and close effortlessly every time. One minor drawback is that some users have reported issues with the screws provided in the package being low quality. However, this can easily be fixed by purchasing higher quality screws separately if needed. Once installed correctly, this track offers a sleek and modern look that blends seamlessly with various interior styles. The curved ceiling curtain track is also versatile in terms of where it can be mounted, whether on the ceiling or wall, making it adaptable to different room layouts. If you're dealing with awkward window shapes or need a flexible solution for dividing spaces, this track is definitely worth considering. 5. UrbanRed Flexible Bendable Ceiling Curtain Track. Similar to the previous product, but with some added benefits, the UrbanRed Flexible Bendable Ceiling Curtain Track offers even more flexibility and durability. This track is designed to handle heavier curtains while maintaining its bendable properties, making it ideal for larger windows or spaces that require more robust solutions. One of the key features of this track is its ease of installation. Even though it's bendable, it snaps into place securely once mounted on the ceiling or wall. The gliders included in the package are smooth and durable, allowing your curtains to glide effortlessly along the track without getting stuck. What's great about this product is its versatility. It can be used not only for windows, but also as a room divider or even a shower curtain track. The material used in its construction ensures that it won't rust or deteriorate over time, making it suitable for humid environments like bathrooms. However, some users have mentioned that while the track itself is sturdy, the provided hardware may not be sufficient for very heavy curtains. If you plan on using this track with particularly thick drapes, upgrading the mounting hardware might be necessary. Overall, if you need a flexible yet durable curtain track that can handle various applications around your home, the UrbanRed Flexible Bendable Ceiling Curtain Track is an excellent option. 4. UrbanRed Self-Adhesive Curtain Track. If you're looking for an easy-to-install solution without drilling holes into your walls or ceiling, then the UrbanRed Self-Adhesive Curtain Track might be just what you need. This track uses strong adhesive strips to mount directly onto smooth surfaces like ceilings or walls, perfect for renters or anyone who wants a hassle-free installation process. The adhesive used on this track is incredibly strong and holds up well under moderate weight curtains. However, it's important to note that this product works best on smooth surfaces like painted walls or tiles. textured surfaces may reduce its effectiveness over time. One downside some users have reported is that removing the track can sometimes peel off paint or damage walls if not done carefully. Therefore, it's best suited for situations where you don't plan on moving it frequently. Despite these minor drawbacks, this self-adhesive curtain track offers excellent value for money and is ideal for lightweight curtains in bedrooms, living rooms, or even bathrooms where drilling might not be an option. 3. ZSHINE Curtain Single Tracks. The ZSHINE Curtain Single Tracks offer a heavy-duty solution for those who need something robust enough to handle thick drapes or large window coverings. Made from high-quality aluminium alloy, this track system is built to last and can support heavy curtains without bending or sagging over time. One of the standout features of this product is its conjoined double tracks design, which allows you to hang 2 layers of curtains, perfect if you want both sheer and blackout options in one window treatment setup. This feature adds versatility and style to any room while providing practical benefits like better light control and insulation. Installation is straightforward thanks to its ceiling or wall mounting options. The package includes all necessary hardware along with easy-to-follow instructions, so you can get everything set up quickly without needing professional help. However, due to its heavy-duty nature and high-quality materials used in construction, this curtain track comes at a slightly higher price point than some other options on our list. But if durability and strength are what you're after, this product delivers exceptional value. 2. Jos-Haz Ceiling Curtain Track. The Jos-Haz Ceiling Curtain Track stands out as one of the most versatile products on our list due to its adjustable length feature, which allows it to fit windows ranging from 3 feet up to 13 feet wide. Whether you're covering small windows or large patio doors, this adjustable system has got you covered. Made from durable materials designed specifically for long-lasting use, the Jos-Haz system ensures smooth operation thanks largely to its premium roller gliders, which move effortlessly along each section even when handling heavier fabrics like Blackout drapes. Installation couldn't be easier either, with both ceiling mount options available depending upon preference, and comprehensive instructions included within every purchase. You'll have everything installed within no time at all. While there have been occasional complaints regarding slight difficulties during assembly, mainly related towards aligning certain components, these issues remain relatively minor overall and do little detract from overall performance once fully installed. Finally, at the top of our list is the Quoya QL500 Smart Curtain System. A game changer for anyone looking to automate their home and add a touch of modern luxury. This motorized curtain track is perfect for those who want convenience, style, and smart home compatibility all in one package. The Quoya QL500 can be controlled via remote, smartphone app, or even voice commands through Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. Let's dive into why this product is the best curtain track on the market. One of the standout features of the Quoya QL500 is its smart automation capabilities. You can schedule your curtains to open and close at specific times of the day, or even sync them with local sunrise and sunset times. Imagine waking up naturally as your curtains slowly open with the rising sun, or having them close automatically when it gets dark. No more fumbling with curtain cords. The system also allows for precise control, letting you open or close your curtains to any percentage you desire, whether it's 50% for partial light or 100% for complete privacy. The installation process is relatively straightforward, especially with the help of Quoya's detailed video tutorials. While some users have reported that the written instructions could be clearer, most agree that following the video guides makes installation a breeze. The track itself is customizable and can be adjusted to fit windows up to 5 meters wide, making it suitable for both small and large spaces. Plus, the system comes with all necessary components, including ceiling brackets, wall brackets, and a 3-meter power cable. There you have it, our top 7 picks for the best curtain tracks available today. Whether you're looking for something simple like blackout curtains or an advanced motorized system like the Quoya QL500, there's a solution here for every need and budget. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and product reviews.